Can LLC get loan? Yes, an LLC can get a loan, but the process depends on the company's credit history and financial strength. Lenders may approve loans for established LLCs that show steady income, solid business plans, and good credit. If the LLC is new, lenders often require the owners to provide a personal guarantee, meaning you're personally responsible if the business cannot repay. There are several loan options, including traditional bank loans, SBA-backed loans, business lines of credit, and equipment financing. Each option has different requirements for collateral, revenue, and credit score. Keeping accurate financial records and separating business from personal finances makes it easier to qualify. The short answer is this: yes, an LLC can borrow money, but newer LLCs may need owner guarantees, while more established ones can qualify on their own. Zen Business can help you form your LLC and guide you on keeping finances organized so your business is loan ready. And if you want a step-by-step breakdown of LLC basics, you can also download my free guide on how to set up an LLC. That link is in the description too.